Faith Gang, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Faith Gang. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad y'all came back to watch my video. So in today's video, I have an exciting video today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing with a company called Pretty Girl Bangles. And the owner of the brand Pretty Girl Bangles is actually one of my followers on Instagram. Her name is Naturally Tay Tay, and I absolutely love her content. She has really nice hair. And I love how she was inspired and motivated to start her own business. And I'm actually one of the Pretty Girl Bangles ambassadors. So I'm really thankful that Taylor allowed me to be one of her brand ambassadors to promote her brand. And if you guys want to see the goodies that I got from Taylor, continue watching. Alright you guys, so this is the package that I got from Taylor. It didn't actually take too long to come, but I'm just going to open it. Alright, so this cute, small, glittery box was inside of the box. Okay, so it comes with the card. It says, "Thank you for your purchase. We appreciate your business." So the first item that I received is a nice pink scrunchie. And it's almost like velvet, too. It's really flexible. Okay, period. And the second thing that I have in my box is a keychain lip gloss. And I like the purple tassel that's connected to the keychain also. So I'm definitely going to put this on my key or on my purse. And the third item that I have is another keychain. And I believe that I can put this either like on my keychain. And lastly but not least, here's my bangle. It came in this nice purple bag. Ooh, this is pretty. So I have a gold bangle. And y'all, hold up. Do y'all see this charm? Do y'all see this charm? It's like a crown. Look at my earrings. That's crazy that like the charm that she has on one of these bracelets is a crown. And the second bangle that I have is a silver one. And it has a few different charms on it. It has a keychain. Not a keychain, but it has like a key. It has a butterfly. Has an elephant. And it has a heart that says "Made with Love." And these are all the items that Taylor sent to me. She sent me a really pretty purple like scrunchie. I have two bangles, one gold and one silver. I have a keychain lip gloss that also has like a purple tassel on it. I love my lip gloss, so that's really going to come in handy. And I have just like a plain purple tassel that I can attach to whatever I want to, either my keychain or on my purse. And that's all I have for today's video, Faith. I wanted to show you guys the items that I received from Taylor, and I absolutely love the gold and I love the silver bangle, and I really like the scrunchie too because that can definitely come in handy. I could either, I don't know if it will like fit all of my goddess locks, but definitely when I take out my goddess locks and when I have like my natural hair, I can use the scrunchie. And I really like this lip gloss. I can also put that like on my keychain or on my purse. And I love the box that everything came in also. But I just noticed that when you like look inside of the box, it has a sticker that says Pretty Girl Bangles. So Taylor, if you're watching this, I just want to say thank you for sending me the items. And I really appreciate it. I love this. Like, this is so cute. And I hope you guys check out her page. She definitely has a lot of nice items. And she also has a lot of like accessories that you can add on to the bangles. She has like initials with your name on it. And